How can you optimize server logic performance in Ruby on Rails? Are you curious about how to make your Ruby on Rails server logic run faster and more efficiently? Let's break down some practical steps to help you achieve that. First, keeping your code clean and organized is essential. This means removing unnecessary calculations and simplifying complex logic. When your code is clear, it becomes easier to optimize and maintain. Next, take advantage of Ruby's built-in methods like map, select, reject, and sort. These methods are designed for better performance and memory usage, making your code quicker and more reliable. Database queries can often slow things down, so optimizing them is key. Use ActiveRecord wisely to avoid N+1 query problems, which happen when multiple queries run instead of one. Adding indexes to your database columns can speed up data retrieval significantly. Also, consider using eager loading with includes to load related records in fewer queries. Caching query results can also help avoid repeated database hits. Implementing caching is another great way to boost performance. Caching stores frequently accessed data or rendered views temporarily, allowing the server to respond faster. Ruby on Rails supports various caching strategies, including fragment caching, page caching, and low-level caching. For tasks that take a long time or use a lot of resources, like sending emails or processing files, consider using background jobs. Tools like Sidekick or Delayed Job can help you move these operations to the background, keeping server response times low and improving user experience. Avoiding nested loops and inefficient algorithms is also important. Nested loops can slow down your server logic, especially with large data sets. Instead, try using more efficient algorithms or data structures like hash maps to reduce complexity. Memoization can be a helpful technique as well. This involves storing the result of expensive method calls so that subsequent calls can return the cached result instead of recalculating. In Ruby, you can use the is equal to operator to cache results in instance variables. Tuning Ruby's garbage collection can also improve performance. The garbage collector manages memory but can cause pauses if not adjusted properly. Tweaking the settings can help reduce pause times and enhance throughput, especially for applications with high traffic. Scaling server resources is another option. Increasing server RAM and switching to faster storage like solid-state drives can lead to better performance. Load balancing can also distribute incoming requests across multiple server instances, preventing overload and reducing latency. Finally, configuring your web server and threading is essential. Optimize the number of Ruby processes and threads based on your server's CPU and memory. For example, running one process per CPU core and tuning the threads per process can improve concurrency and resource utilization. By following these steps, you can make your Ruby on Rails server logic more efficient and responsive. This approach helps you focus on writing straightforward, maintainable code while ensuring your application performs well under load.